Hey everyone, it's Rodney from TayloredKC. Got something in the mail that I wasn't expecting. I mean, I was expecting it in the mail, but I wasn't expecting to be given one free. A few weeks ago, got an email from being a Google One subscriber saying they were offering the Stadia for free, so I definitely jumped at that to get that, and today it did come. So I thought I'd just open it up and take a look. I was pretty excited about it before it launched. When it did come out, I didn't really want to pay for it, so I kind of held off. Plus, I primarily play PC games and just got a PS5, so I've been taking a look at that. But here we go, Stadia Premier Edition. I think it comes with, let's see here, the Stadia controller and a Chromecast Ultra. Works off Bluetooth. Let's get it open here. Get that plastic cut. A little bit more. Pretty thick plastic. Well, another one of those cool gifts from Google for being a Google One subscriber. You know, you get all the YouTube Premium. I think the YouTube Music. Not sure. All I get for that. So open the box. Inside the box, just the inside casing. Have the controller here. Looks really nice. Feels pretty nice here. Looks pretty similar to the PlayStation 5 controller. USB-C charging, which is good. Here in the box also we have, looks like a charging cable, USB-C. Nice cable. I love Google's cables. And brick. Can't really tell the wattage on that. Some material. Let's see. You start it with the controller. What's included? Warranty info. And the Chromecast Ultra. And the adapter here. Or power brick. Micro USB. Also includes Ethernet jack. So you can plug directly into your network. Can't wait to get this plugged in and take a look at it. Hopefully we'll have a gameplay video later. Thanks for watching the video. If you did like, please subscribe or leave a comment. Thanks.